Good morning, YouTube. Today I found something magical. It's for charging up while you poop. Amazing invention. Anyways, today is day 38. Please don't mind my constant wearing of this hoodie. I have no other hoodie. I know it's disgusting, but I'm washing it tonight. I feel bad for the people who have binged my YouTube channel and saw me wear this hoodie 3 days in a row. We are going from Maine to Pennsylvania. About an 8-hour-long journey.
Hello there. 10 minutes. It was 4:30. Now it's 4:20.
Everyone has peed probably 4 times on this trip. Only an hour away! A property we are looking at. It also comes with this whole land as land for the property. Have I been a bad girl?
Never.
Yay! The lake is drained because it's almost winter time. For sale. It's so beautiful. This lake is gorgeous. Unfortunately, this right here is a boat rental business. I guess I'll just have to hope and pray they go out of business. I'll just put them out of business. Group family photo.
Oh, don't do that. Right?
Ow! You I am Polish. This is babcia's soup, or veggie supka, as we call it. It's so yummy.
Do you like my turd?
Goodbye, hoodie.
Good night. Good night.